Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Telegram app. Go ahead and click on your Telegram channel. Go ahead and click on your channel name right here. Click on this 3-dot corner. Click on Start Live Stream. Click on Start Live Stream. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Start Live Stream. Turn on your mic. Turn on your camera if you would like to appear. Click on Share a Video. So here you go. You're now in live stream on your Telegram channel right here. You can work on your mic right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Telegram, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.